Hello, this is Akaki, and today's puzzle is Meson II by Andrey Ustjuzhanin. Again, it's a frame of a house, a maison perhaps. I'm not sure, I don't think the spelling is even the same. And 5 pieces to put into this. Snap connections for easy 3D printing. Just drop a glue in there, and you're good to go. This time we need to snap this one and this one. So there's 3 things you need to do before starting to puzzle. Last time, Meson 1 had these flat pieces. This time looks a bit more trickier perhaps, so let's try. This is the longest piece. I'm going to say that the long piece goes through the square fenêtres again, perhaps in a similar way to this guy. Let's not cheat with the previous puzzle too much, I guess. I will guess that this guy goes through the middle and then locks in the rest again. If that is the case, I'm going to start thinking about the outside surface again. We have 3 filled and 1 open. To fill a single piece, you need a sharp piece, so to say, with a sharp protruding part, prominence. I don't have so many of those here because, see, this one would work as one, but there's no way to get it in there. This guy has a sharp protrudence, yet it wouldn't go in. Oh, wait a minute, look at this. It's the same piece as from the last thing, isn't it? It's the flat-headed tadpole part. I'm going to learn from the previous puzzle and say this guy does not go in one of the windows. As indeed, again, it's one of the ones that doesn't even fit. And I'm going to guess that it will be in this sort of position again. And that being the case, I think we should consider filling this gap here. See, again, we have the L sort of shape. Is this, again? No, it wouldn't be the exact same shape from the previous puzzle, but it's close, I think. Maybe I made a mistake in solving this in succession like I'm doing now, because it's kind of providing a hint for me, but maybe there's a reason they're called 1 and 2 of Meson. I think if I put that there and slide this in like this. There, so we've now filled the outside opening, one of the 4, again in much similar way to the previous one, and I'm guessing that this guy will go through the structure again. Is rotations allowed? Can I? No, it wouldn't even turn. I guess this has to go through first, and because this is the final configuration, it has to be in this rotation. So how did I get this in again? Go back. Put this through. Can I assemble this again with the long piece in? Let's try. So it was 1 that way. Slide that in. Okay. That worked. I'm getting the feeling that I'm discovering the positions of different pieces one by one, but I'm going to have to take it all apart again. So this, we need to fill this 2 piece here, and I think the only way to do that is not this piece, no, but this element here, isn't it? So we can do that by okay, I made a gap there, so I think we can slide this in. Okay, and yes, I think this is the correct solution because this will fit, but again, look at this hooky nature of this. I think I need to take everything apart again. Alright, let's see what comes out first. Yeah, typical. The thing that I put in first is actually the one I need to put in last, because this guy came out very easily. This is the flat-headed piece, isn't it? Oh no, and now I'm forgetting where this should go. So I think it's here, isn't it? Yes, there. And the flat piece wants to go there. Before it. Oh, is this even... How do you do this? Maybe this guy goes first, and then you... Oh, oh no. Oh. There's no way to... Is there? Oh. Oh, what? Okay. So you don't have to be there yet. But these are in this sort of configuration in the end, aren't they? You I can get in, but then this won't go in. You can get rid of you. Oh, oh no, I'm going to forget everything, am I not? Well, okay, let's start with the one that we were holding in the end. Okay, those two are like that. What are you again? Oh no. I think you might be like this. And this is like this, isn't it? And okay. Yes, yes, so this we already know. It's here. Keep that. This we also know. These two holes are these two sticks here. And I think by sliding that slightly, we can make it work, perhaps. Can we? Oh, we can move it together. So there, 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 and go. And this should have been in the mix as well, I think. If we go back. Okay. This is a coordinated movement. So you go in like that. Go that way, and we lock it in place. That is it. Is the light a bit too strong? I guess it is. It's very bright, but I hope you can see. Here it is. It's a bit loose, perhaps. If you feel these files are too loose for you, I will change the settings once before I upload them. It would be more satisfying if the puzzle held together after it's assembled. If you feel this is a bit loose for you, you can go into the CAD file with OpenCAD. OpenSCAD? OpenSCAD. And it should not be very difficult to understand. There's just a few different numbers, you can change them to make it tighter fitting. Perhaps if your printer is a bit more expensive one that I have, it should be more accurate, so you can afford to make them tighter without the whole puzzle binding up. That's it. Thank you for watching my Meson II puzzle solution. Puzzle by Andrey. I will see you next time.